Out of the pipe over there. That pipe, I know exactly. It's that pipe right over there. I'm gonna tell. Huh? Oh yeah, it is. Oh yeah. This is. It's been doing it. It's still going. So I saw it. Flooding over last night, and it's just gotten worse. Anyways, I gotta go take a deuce. See, it's still flooding over. Anyways, I guess I gotta go take a deuce. It's coming from that pipe right over there. Oh, sometimes I get used. Oh shit! How did that get there? You couldn't even sweep this up with a damn mop and all that shit. Huh?